Oh God, it's so hot and humid out here. Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little bit of harvesting. I think I'm gonna harvest my collards and some of my kale if I can and not pass out because it says it's 90 degrees out here. The sun is so bright. Um, and one of my cabbages, and I'm like sweating profusely and I'm sick. So I need to be out here in the sun and sweat it out anyway. So if you're interested in that, then stick around and stay tuned. All right, I had to go get my gardening gloves as well as my harvesting basket and put on a hat. This is entirely too hot out here. I don't know if you guys can see these greens. Let me make sure that you can. Let's zoom back out a little bit. So these are my turnips. These are my collards. I just pulled a whole bunch of them little green worms off of them. They were eating them up, so I need to get them. And I need to get my turnips so I can cook them for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and harvest. Okay, something in here. There was something in there. What? I don't know. They were in the house. I don't keep them outside because I'm scared someone will crawl on them. But anywho. Alright. So let's cut off some of these big trees. And they may have some bugs on them. So probably gonna have to wash them off because these had those little white fly things. I don't know what they are. I just hear people say white flies. And that's what they look like. So I've been calling them too. But I've been mixing these turnips with my collards. They're way more tender, but I put them in there anyway and cook them down. And they cut and come again. So if you're growing turnips, bulbs, oh, I forgot I harvested this little piece of garlic and left it down there the other day. If you growing turnips for the bulbs, you can still cut the greens off. Just don't cut all of them back. Just cut some of them enough. Leave the smaller ones. So, another one. Nope. So that they can continue to grow. And these are pretty big size. And I may try to move y'all closer, but I'm on the hill, so that's why it's hard for me to show stuff up here on this side. But I figure out how to get y'all up here. Other than leave y'all on the porch, which is not for good filming. But that was okay. It's a big one. Got a leaf miner. Don't know what a leaf miner is. It's when a bug get inside the leaf and trail. But it's okay. You can squish it and that kills it. I'll take the piece off and still eat it if it ain't too much of it. Promise you the heat from boiling it will kill it. And I'm beating it on the side so that the little white flies can come off. I don't know how many beets is in here. I really don't. I'm just letting them grow. And I've already harvested from them once. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I beat the turnips. And actually, I can see them now. So they're here. Oh, it's 4. We got another little small one that's going to die. Probably. I just dropped some seeds. This one broke, so I might as well get it and pull up this weed, whatever this is. So yeah, that's done. I'll show you guys the turnip balls once I harvest the collard. So alright, let's pull you in closer so we can get to the collard. And they all messed up. all messed up. So they got big leaves on them though, like huge leaves. So it'll be good for dinner. Even the ones that's been eaten up by the worms. There's them cabbage worms. I found 3 big ones and 2 little babies. Probably some more on here. And cabbage and them white flies. So, and I look at them real good. I'm gonna clean them off, but I don't want this mess in the house on my house plants. That's what you don't want. And I got that little bug that look like a ladybug. Oh, here's another one. See it? And all I do is get his little ass off. Kill him. And smush him. I ain't scared of them. I ain't touching them with my bare hands, but I ain't scared of them. And I think I'm gonna get some of this Swiss chard too while I'm out here. Cause it's getting big and it likes heat, so I don't believe it's gonna go to seed. I don't even think my collards gonna go to seed because I had them in here last year and they did not on the first year. The old ones went to seed and I just planted some more. Oh, there go one right there too. Yeah, I got you. So they out here living their best life, eating up my stuff. Eating up my stuff. So I'm trying to get the good leaves, the good big ones. And the ones that's already ate up. I don't leave them, but just need enough to cook for dinner tomorrow. On Sunday. It's a nice big one. Been ate up a little bit, but it's okay. Got a cocoon on it and let's get it off. Some shit. Oh, some little things multiply quick. And I always check down in the inside because that's where they be hiding. And I need to rinse them, but it rained today. So if I water my water on, it's going to be too much water. Too much water. Yeah, my water bill was high enough. So I take my chances. Alright, that's it. I'm going to leave the rest. I get this bottom leaf. Alright, that's it. And I'll show you guys the other stuff. Oh, let's harvest a cabbage. I don't know if they're ready or not. I feel like I need to harvest this one because a bug started eating through it. I don't know, this one's split. Okay, I'm gonna turn y'all around. Okay, I want to harvest this cabbage right here. This is the biggest one. I mean, it's gigantic. It's the size of a head, your head, so I don't know if I can cut it with this though. Damn it. Oh, it's that spider web all over there. Try not to get spiders in my head. Because I would have a freaking fit. I need on a hat. And there's one right there. Something bit me out here the other day already. Oh, that ain't gonna cut that. And the spatula go. Okay, I got these big clippers to cut this. And I know this will cut because it cut through that other stuff. Ah, yes. Alright. One cabbage down. Can y'all see it? One big cabbage. It doesn't even look bad on all the sides. Oh, cabbage worm. So it does have one. I'm gonna throw these out. Oh, there's another one. I came just in time. That we're ready to come and eat these. Alright. Y'all see that? That's a nice size. Okay, let's show you the turnips. You can see they've started. This one needs to be moved or something, but you can see right down here we have a turnip. They ain't come up above the ground yet, but they're there. And they're good cut up in the greens. If you eat them, if you never tried them, you should try them. But that's it. So this is my total harvest. Oh no, I got another Swiss chard down there. I need to go get the leaves from it. So let's go do that. I'll give y'all a garden tour, but it'll be next week at the end of the month. But my tomatoes are looking wonderful. It rained today, but I do have some tomatoes coming, and I hope they are slicers. Don't know what kind it is, but yeah, okra's looking good. And now we're at the Swiss chard. So I'm gonna get some of this. I got one hand. I don't want to make y'all dizzy, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to do it watching the camera, and that way I won't make y'all dizzy. I don't need but a few of these though. Just the big ones. And I don't know why I'm not cutting these all the way down at the bottom, but I'm not. And that's it. My peppers all have flowers on it, all except for these. I just can't stick to what I'm supposed to be showing y'all. But these fish peppers have not put on any flowers. But that's okay. I do have flowers coming. I planted a row of flowers. Planted some sage. None of that has come up. Some snapdragon. None of them have come up. Another row of snapdragon. That might be one right there. That's something. So, don't know. Some hollyhocks. We do have one of those that has come up. I put, oh, that was my free Mother's Day. But I put onions here with those. This is calendula. One of them came up. And the sturgeons is in this row. Only one of them has come up. See, one just popped out this thing. I think the birds are eating that stuff. And then I put some more marigolds right there. So that's all I have. That is all I have. Everything's looking good. I keep trying to check it every day. Let's see this bad leaf down here. Leaf. Need to cut that off. This bed had a bunch of zinnias in it last year, so they are everywhere. I keep pulling them, but 1,000 seeds dropped, so it's hard to get them. I'm gonna let some of my wingers grow. Anywho, turn y'all around. I have one more thing to harvest. This is a cauliflower that is trying to go to seed, so we need to go ahead and get it out as well and do something with it. I might roast it up and put some barbecue sauce on it. I have a video for it up here, how you barbecue cauliflower. Maybe a red one, but anywho, I thought this was a collard. But so let me get my clippers and get this out. So hold on for that. Got my big clippers, so let's go ahead and get this out because we got stuff going. See that? We got other needs in here. I'm gonna lay you right here for a hot second, and I'm gonna cut the stem. I'm gonna leave the roots, but I'm gonna cut the stem. All right, that's it for that. All right, and these limbs, not limbs. So these look horrible on here. Not, I'm gonna eat these. Now, compost. Compost tea. There's some up there. I feel little bad spots on it, but you can cut it off. It is edible. It's broken like a broccoli. Almost, but it's called. It is. I'm probably cut out. It is cauliflower. So, we good. Ooh, it's hot out here. Humid. Alright, guys, that is the end of my garden harvest of my greens and my cabbage. And that's my hair up there now when I went to make sure I didn't have a freaking spider in my head. So, anywho, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you all are having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. It is Saturday for me. I'm going to load this on Sunday. But yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful weekend and Memorial Day. And thanks to all that have served. Bye-bye.